Good afternoon. We're on the first proper day's harvest for 2021. It's the 3rd of August. We're on winter barley. It's a variety called Craft. It's a malted variety. I think it's doing alright. Seth's taken his place for the summer. He's happy down there with the air conditioning. Seems to be going alright. I think the straw's quite dry as well, so Sam might bale it straight behind the combine today. This field's going to go in with oilseed rape, which I hope is direct. Depends, we'll see how it goes. So if we can get the straw off and clean, it'll be good because the oilseed rape wants to be drilled fairly quickly properly if we can. So anyway, thank you very much. This video was filmed and produced by Sam Stringer.